Hello, I will present you the work of Arthur Bit-Monnot and I on the usage of Chronicles for presenting hierarchical planning problems with time. In our article, we present the modelization of HPlan problems with complex temporal features. We define the semantics through an interpretation as a CSP, and we propose a scheduling-like view of hierarchical planning problems. In this presentation, I will present you a modelization of HPlan problems with Chronicle. So we will consider 4 locations, L0 to L3, connected by the edges and not by the diagonals. We consider that we have 2 available vehicles, 1 bicycle and 1 truck, but it is already on a delivery, so it is available from time 10 only. And we have 3 packages to deliver, P0 to P2, and all of them are on the location L0 at the beginning. The objective is to deliver the 3 packages as shown in the image. And there is one more constraint, which is that the package P0 has to be delivered before time 8. So for a possible action to represent into a Chronicle is the move action, which will move a vehicle from a source location to a destination location. Though there are 3 variables, V, source, and destination. There are 2 time points, the start and the end of the action. There are 2 constraints that the source location must be different from the destination location, and that the end minus the start, so the duration of the action must be equal to the time needed to the vehicle to do the moving action. There are 2 conditions, one at the start, so from TS to TS, that saying that the location of the vehicle must be equal to the source location, and a condition which must be true from the start to the end of the action, saying that the source location and the destination must be connected. Finally, we have one effect, saying that the location of the vehicle must be equal to the destination location, but the effect is from TS to TE, which means that the location will be unknown from TS to TE, but it will be the destination location at the end only, and until another effect change the location of the vehicle. But this presentation has some limitations. For example, what to do if you want to check the fuel of the truck before each move of the truck. One possibility will be to create 2 move actions, a move truck action and a move bicycle action. Create the action check truck, and to create a token predicate, which will link the 2 actions, the check and the move. So at the end of the check, the predicate will be set to true, and one condition to move the truck will be the predicate to be true, and after the move action, at the end, we'll set the predicate false again, so the check action will be have to be done again before another move. This solution works, but it can be time-consuming to implement for more complex problems, and it can be a source of errors. So we propose to add 2 attributes on the Chronicles: the task, which represents the task achieved by the Chronicle, and a list of subtasks, where each of them denotes a recurrent task for this Chronicle, which must be achieved by another Chronicle. So for example, we will have some primitive action Chronicles, like the move from before, and we just add 1 attribute, the task attribute, which is the Chronicle itself, because the primitive action is independent, it is doing itself. This primitive action has a list of effects, but there is no subtasks for this kind of Chronicles. In the other hand, we have method Chronicles. So for example, here is a method to transport the package from a source location to destination with a vehicle. So it is achieving the task of delivering the package to the destination. And to do that, we have a list of subtasks. First, we go to the source with the vehicle, then we load the package, we go to the destination, and we unload the package. All of these subtasks are ordered thanks to a list of constraints related to the time points of these subtasks. These methods have no effects, but it can have conditions. On this example, there is no condition because it wasn't needed, but it can have conditions, but no effects. So here, for example, if we want to specify the deliver task, there will have no op method if the package is already on the destination, and the transport method I just presented. And now, if we want to check the truck before a moving action, all we have to do is to create the check truck primitive action and to add it on the subtask of the move truck method and some constraint to order it with the move action. It is very simple now. So to conclude, I presented you a way to modeling HPlan problem with complex temporal features, but our article also covered the definition of semantics through an interpretation as a CSP and a proposal for a scheduling-like view of hierarchical planning problems. Thank you.